Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learning Spark podcast. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're going to talk about school, classrooms, teachers, subjects, and daily school life. Joining me again is my friend Omar. Hi, Omar.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be back. I'm excited because today we're talking about a place that almost everyone knows very well: school.
That's right. School is where we learn new things, meet friends, ask questions, and prepare for our future. Omar, did you enjoy going to school?
Yes, I did. I enjoyed learning, especially when the lessons were fun and interactive. My favorite subject was science. What about you?
My favorite subject was English. I loved learning new words and practicing conversations. I also enjoyed reading stories in English.
That's one of the best ways to improve your English. Reading and speaking every day can make a big difference.
Absolutely. So, Omar, let's imagine it's Monday morning. What happens first?
Well, students wake up early, get dressed, eat breakfast, and pack their school bags. Then they travel to school by bus, by car, by bicycle, or sometimes they walk.
That's true. When students arrive at school, they usually greet their classmates and teachers.
Yes, they might say, "Good morning," or "How are you today?"
After that, the school bell rings and everyone goes to their classrooms.
The teacher starts the lesson and takes attendance.
Exactly. The teacher might say, "Good morning, class."
And the students answer, "Good morning, teacher."
Then the teacher asks, "Is everyone here today?"
One student replies, "Yes, everyone is here."
Omar, what can we usually find inside a classroom?
A classroom usually has desks, chairs, a whiteboard, books, notebooks, pens, pencils, a teacher's desk, and sometimes a projector or a smartboard.
That's right. A good classroom is clean, organized, and comfortable for learning.
Sarah, what subjects do students usually study?
They study English, mathematics, science, history, geography, art, music, computer science, and physical education.
Which subject do you think is the most useful?
Every subject is useful in a different way. English helps us communicate with people around the world. Mathematics improves our thinking, and science helps us understand nature.
I completely agree.
Now, let's talk about homework. Do you think homework is important?
Yes, I do. Homework helps students practice what they learn in class. It also teaches responsibility and good study habits.
I agree. But students should also have time to relax, play sports, and spend time with their families.
Balance is very important.
What do students usually do during break time?
They eat snacks, drink water, talk with friends, play games, or simply relax before the next lesson.
Having friends at school makes learning more enjoyable.
Definitely. Good friends help each other and learn together.
Let's share a few tips for being a good student.
First, arrive at school on time.
Second, listen carefully to your teacher.
Third, ask questions when you don't understand.
Fourth, do your homework every day.
Fifth, be kind and respectful to everyone.
And finally, never stop learning.
That's excellent advice.
Before we finish today's episode, let's review some important vocabulary. School,
School,
classroom,
classroom,
teacher,
teacher,
students,
students,
desk,
desk,
chair,
chair,
book,
book,
notebook,
notebook,
homework,
homework,
library,
library,
playground,
playground,
subject,
subject,
lesson,
lesson,
exam,
exam,
break.
break. Try using these words in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. Just practice a little every day, listen carefully, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Every mistake is another step toward success.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you learned something new and enjoyed today's conversation.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the Learning Spark podcast and share it with your friends.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel Learning Spark, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Also, follow us on our social media platforms for more English tips, daily expressions, and extra practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.